Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find support settings on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on this, click here, click now. Here you will find support settings as you see here, and you can manage it as you want. And that's how to find support settings on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.